Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Fitness Channel. Today, we're getting down to business with the top 5 exercises to supercharge your workout routine. These aren't just your average bicep curls or treadmill jogs, although those have their place. We're talking about exercises that target multiple muscle groups, boost your metabolism, and keep your workouts exciting. So, grab your water bottle, put on your favorite workout jams, and get ready to break a sweat. Exercise number 1, jump squats. This explosive exercise combines a squat with a jump, working your legs, glutes, and core all at once. You'll get your heart rate up and torch some serious calories. Exercise number 2, burpees, the burpee. Some love it, some hate it, but everyone respects it. This full-body exercise is a total calorie burner, working your arms, chest, shoulders, legs, and core. Exercise number 3, push-ups. Don't underestimate the power of a simple push-up. This classic exercise strengthens your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, all without any equipment. You can modify them on your knees if needed. Exercise before high knees. Want to get your heart rate soaring and your legs burning? High knees are a fantastic cardio exercise that also improves your coordination and agility. Exercise number 5, mountain climbers. Another exercise that gets your heart pumping and core engaged is the mountain climber. This exercise strengthens your core, shoulders, hips, and legs, making it a great all-around workout. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll be on your way to a fitter, stronger you. And of course, don't forget to consult a doctor before starting any new exercise program.